Ain't no more booty calls, gotta jack off. It's me and Carol G, we let the racks talk. Don't run up on us cause they letting the max off.
Hey guys, it's me tonight. Welcome back to my channel. Excuse me, I look crazy, but that's fine because it's for a good reason. Today is day one of me renovating and remodeling my room. As you can see, I have no furniture in here except for my hair table. And I just want to bring you guys along with this journey because it's going to be exciting for me. Because, like, I changed my room around a lot, but this time I actually have enough saved to get exactly what I want and, like, my inspired look and the vibe that I'm trying to go for. So, like, I'm really excited. And I just want to bring you guys along with me through this journey. And it might take a while, but then again, it might not because I already ordered everything. I just have to, you know, put everything together and set everything up. So, yeah, like I said, this is day one. My room still looks really crazy. My closet isn't that bad, but by the end of probably 2 weeks, my room will be like perfect. So I'll keep you guys updated and I hope you guys enjoy. So today's day 2 of my room renovation. We're still in process. So far today, my brother took my carpets off my rug. And it's not as easy as it looks because it's like nails and stuff on the floor. And I was trying to help him, but it's a lot. And yeah, so we got. Morning, guys. It's currently day 3 of my room renovation. It's currently 10:09 a.m. over here. I was up pretty early this morning, like around 6 o'clock, because I had to take my brothers to school and stuff. And then I cleaned the room a little bit, like sweeping the floor or whatever. As you guys seen in the previous video, day 2, I took my flooring off and I scraped like old stuff and things like that off my wall. So I'm about to head over to Home Depot to get my flooring, to get my wall paint, and then I might go to Walmart to grab a few things. Today's gonna be a pretty busy day for me because I have a few errands that I have to run. And then, like, my brother's gonna start with my flooring and my paint. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys when I get to Home Depot so I can. Day 3, success. Okay, so I can hear an echo in here and it's so weird. As you can see, my walls are disgusting, but not for long. Not for long. I'm just gonna show you guys real quick what I got. So, first things first, my tile. I'm motherfucking tired. God damn. I need a nigga for shit like this. The fuck? So this is the towel that I got. This thing is heavy, guys. So don't mind that. This thing is heavy. It is by Traffic Master and it's the self-stick vinyl towel that I was telling you guys about earlier. So yeah, it comes 30 in a box, and this is the color. I'm gonna open it actually so I can show you guys the color. The towel that I got, I went with the gray one. My mom said she likes this one better, and it would have looked better anyways because my bed set is black and my room is gonna have like gray details in it, kind of like my sheets, my pillows, and stuff like that. I'm really out of breath, guys. I need some water. But yeah, so this is what I went with. It's really cute. I love it. And then I got my paint. I only needed one because my room is literally a lot. It's really small. So I got pure white. It's called Frost White. It's so pretty. I wish I still had the sample. Obviously, I've never did this before, even though my brother's on it. I got the little painting kit. It was on sale, so I was like, why not? Let me tell you guys my favorite part about this mini haul. So this is like an LED light by Philips. And guess what, guys? I can control it on my freaking cell phone. Like, it's actually for that lamp right there. So I hope it fits in it. But yeah, it's 65 watts. And I honestly only got it because of the controller on the phone. Because when I'm laying down, it's my biggest pet peeve to have to get up and go turn off my light. So I looked for, you know, easy control lights. And I got this one. I hope it's really bright. And it's, like I said, it's LED, so it's like white lights. And yeah, I'm going to test it out after I do this video. And like, I'm so excited. Anyways, moving on. Yeah, so that'll be all for my mini little haul. Okay, I'm so excited, guys. Can you guys tell? I'm so Who is it? Oh, hey, it's you. Welcome to my peace spot. Come on in, don't be afraid. So this is my little mini huge room transformation video. I've been wanting to do this tour for a not tour, what am I talking about? I've been wanting to change my room around for the longest time, and I finally did it. Like, it makes me so happy coming home into my room because, like, I love it. It's simple, it's cozy as hell, and it's just, it fits me in every way. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you guys around, and I'm also going to tell you guys where I got most of my pieces and items and furniture from. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. So when you first walk in, this is the overview of my entire room. Like I said before, it's really small. So this is my door right here. Then when I look to my left, it's my beautiful bed. I love this bed so much, and it was so inexpensive. I got it from Wayfair. I'm not even gonna get into Wayfair with their whole delivery system because I'm never gonna order from them again. Sorry to say that. Y'all stuff is cute, but y'all communication, it sucks. But anyways, and then above my bed, I got this little Pinterest thing going on. I got all of these. No, I'm lying. I got this from IKEA, this from IKEA. I got these 3 things. It was actually 4, but I got rid of 1 because I just wanted 3. But I got these 3 from Amazon. I got the little wall thingies from Amazon also. Then I have my camera, my little sleeping mask, a little regular black and gold watch, my feminist book, and my Rihanna Fenty powder thingy thing. I know what this is. Anyway, so yeah, and then my bedding, I love this so much. It's so comfortable. I don't sleep with it, but I do put it on my feet sometimes, and it's really comfortable. I got this from Amazon. It was inexpensive, but it's so cute and cozy. I also got my sheets from Amazon. It was the sheets with these 2 pillows. I got those from Amazon, also inexpensive and super cute. These 3 pillows, it was actually 4. This is 2 of this and 2 of this, but I got rid of 1 of this because my bed is a full-size bed. I don't need all that pillow on my bed, so I kept 1, and then these 2, I got those from Amazon. Then these the pillows that's in it, it's my own pillows, but I got the covers from IKEA, and then that's just my little blanket that I got from Costco. And then you guys are gonna see in the whole transformation, my flooring was carpet. I had brown, ugly, disgusting carpet everywhere, but I took that off. My brother did it for me, and he put towels on. Well, actually, I did the towels. He took the rug off. So yeah, I did this all by myself. Give me props. I did such a great job. Anyways, then you look on the right. It's my dresser that me and my cousin took years to put together, and my brother also helped us. Oh yeah, can't forget my little garbage. But anyways, yeah, this dresser is also from Wayfair, and I'm not gonna really show you guys inside of it because it's not done yet, but just know that I have a lot of storage to keep all my clothes. Hopefully they fit because I do have a lot. But anyways, my countertop is very basic and plain, which is how I wanted it. Hey, it's me. Anyways, on the right side of the dresser, I just have my little perfumes, my lotion, the speaker that my mom gave me, well, that I took from her, and you know, my everyday essentials for my skin or whatever. And then on the left side, I have this tea. The lights are actually pink, like it matches my room theme, like black, gray, pink, and stuff like that, but you can't obviously see it in the camera, but it is pink. Then I got this little cute candle that I got from Pink. As you can see, it's clearly almost gone because it smells so good. I literally use it all the time. And this comes with a remote. It's so cool. I love it. And then over here on this side, which is my favorite side because it got this mirror that I absolutely adore. I got this mirror from Amazon. It was pretty inexpensive, and it's a pretty nice size for my room because my room is a box. I don't need nothing bigger than this, so I love the size. And then on the floor right by the mirror, I have my little gray fur rug that I also got from Amazon. I got this chair. It's also from Amazon. Not chair, you guys know what this is. I got it from Amazon. I love this thing so much because you know why? It matches my bed as if I got them together, but I didn't. I got this from Amazon for like 40 bucks. I love my room so much. Like, it's such a big difference compared to how it used to look before. I had absolutely no space in here. Like, I couldn't even bend down. When I take pictures, it was just too much going on back there, and I hated that. Like, I love taking mirror pictures, but I need a nice background. Like, I'm all for it. But now, yes, baby. La, 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 la. Ooh, la, 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 la.